What if I told you your brain fog, belly fat, and even depression might be caused by something not even human? Tiny organisms living inside your gut, silently controlling your body, your mind, even your happiness. This isn't science fiction. It's the shocking truth revealed in Dr. William Davis's groundbreaking book, Super Gut. In this video, we'll break down the powerful insights from Super Gut, a book that uncovers how gut bacteria are the missing link to your health. Stick around till the end because you're going to learn how to rebuild your gut, reclaim your energy, and possibly even reverse years of damage. Let's dive in. Part 1, The Silent Takeover. Microbes gone wrong, Dr. William Davis explains something shocking. You are home to hundreds of species of bacteria, many of them friendly, but some are flat out toxic. Over time, thanks to antibiotics, processed food, chlorinated water, and stress, your gut becomes a war zone. Friendly microbes die, and the bad ones, they take over. This leads to what Dr. Davis calls a microbiome disaster. Symptoms: bloating, food intolerances, weight gain, anxiety, autoimmune problems, and the worst part, most doctors don't check your gut. They just treat the symptoms. Part 2, The Shocking Science. Your gut talks to your brain. Your gut isn't just a digestive tube, it's a second brain. It produces 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good chemical. It talks directly to your real brain via the gut-brain axis. When your gut is inflamed or infected, your brain suffers. Depression, brain fog, sleep disorders, even Alzheimer's risk. That's why Dr. Davis says, fix the gut and everything else begins to heal. Part 3, The Solution. Reprogram your microbiome. Dr. Davis doesn't just scare you. He gives a clear plan to take your health back. Here's the Super Gut protocol in 4 steps. 1. Identify the enemies. Use at-home stool tests to see what's growing inside you. Look for signs of SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. 2. Remove gut killers, ditch sugars, artificial sweeteners, processed carbs. Avoid emulsifiers and preservatives. 3. Rebuild with hero microbes. Reintroduce powerful probiotics like Lactobacillus reuteri, which boosts oxytocin, improves skin, and reduces belly fat. Dr. Davis even shares how to make homemade yogurt with these strains, recipe in the book. 4. Feed your allies. Prebiotics like inulin, green bananas, and chicory root nourish your friendly bacteria. Fiber fuel for the right microbes. It's not just about taking pills. It's about creating an environment where the good guys win. Part 4, The Transformation, What You Can Expect. Thousands of people have followed Dr. Davis's plan, and the results are stunning. More energy, clearer thinking, improved mood, faster weight loss, better sleep. People who were stuck in medical cycles for years suddenly found relief by healing their gut. Imagine waking up, not exhausted, but alive, not anxious, but calm, not addicted to sugar, but finally in control of your body. That's not a dream, that's gut health done right. If this video helped you, like it, comment "Fix My Gut" below. And don't forget to subscribe because we're diving deeper into books that can truly change your life. You're not broken, your gut is. Fix that, and everything changes.